Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we start on the 24-hour temperature cast. Got all these numbers way up near 70 again this morning. We're going to probably find daytime highs in record territory, trying to get someplace into the middle 80s. 84 is the current record for today. We got to 84 yesterday, so we could tie or break that record this afternoon if we get some sustained sunshine. And then I think overnight tonight, those temperatures are going to stay way up in the 60s again, like we've been seeing for the past few days. There's really not a lot changing. And I don't expect a lot to change, not today or tomorrow or Sunday, maybe not even Monday. Hopefully by Tuesday we can start to see a little shift in the way the upper level winds are going, and that might be able to bring our forecast a little bit back towards what's supposed to be normal at the end of February or by then the beginning of March. It's 70 this morning in Tallahassee. That's a normal daytime high for this time of year. We're at 68 in Thomasville and in Valdosta. Got plenty of available moisture out there and much less breeze today. So fog is going to be something that I think gets a little bit thicker in a few more spots. Another 70 in Blakely, another 70 in Quincy. So those are the warm spots. Live Oak and Cross City have been the cool spots all morning, and these temperatures really haven't budged. So we see the entire region between 66 and 70 degrees. That's more than 20 degrees warmer than normal. I don't expect to be as breezy today as we had at times yesterday. A little breeze will help a lot this morning to limit some of the fog, but we're finding a lot more areas with reduced visibilities. So many spots down below 2 miles from Bainbridge to Quincy to Perry to Cross City. We're at 5 miles in Thomasville and in Tallahassee. There's actually a dense fog advisory for most of our Florida counties, and especially I think from the I-10 corridor and south, where we're going to expect the thickest fog from now until maybe 10, 11 o'clock this morning. Now way out west and north, that's where the energy is that would wring the showers out of the clouds. North of that is where all the cold air is. There's plenty of winter across the lower 48. It's just not where we are. Higher pressure at the surface and upstairs in the atmosphere going to reassert itself over the weekend. It's going to make it almost impossible for anything new to come down into the southeast. So that means we're going to continue with this very spring-like forecast, and I think these really warm temperatures all the way into the early part of next week. On the futurecast, I don't even see a lot of shower opportunities. It's the wrong time of the year for the sea breeze to fire up, and you really can't get showers unless you get something to shake those out of the clouds. And right now we don't have that something. So other than some drizzle or some mist in some of the fog, I think we stay pretty dry. Winds on the Gulf today, southwest and south 5 to 12, seas 1 to 3 feet. So good for the boaters once we get past that fog. Got 60s and 70s this morning, going to have 80s this afternoon. There will be breaks of sun, but it's not going to be all afternoon straight up blue skies. If we don't get enough sunshine today or tomorrow, maybe that can keep our temperatures from setting records. Overnight tonight, I think we're going to stay up in the middle and upper 60s. Look at that 7-day forecast. That's something you'd see in late spring, not in late February. Maybe we get some changes by Tuesday or Wednesday.